Okay, let's talk about that green stuff on your roof. It might look harmless, but it's causing hidden damage. A lot of us just see moss as an ugly patch, right? Something you can pretty much ignore. But it's not. In reality, it's a sign that structural damage is happening right now. And get this, what you're seeing in the spring actually started way back in the fall. It all starts in the fall when spores take hold. By winter, a whole root system is forming. So that visible green moss has already spent the entire wet season developing those roots. So how can these tiny little roots do so much damage to a whole roof? First, the roots grip and lift your shingles. That breaks the seal, trapping water, which leads to rot. A healthy roof sheds water easily, but moss-damaged shingles trap it, funneling it right to the wood. And by the time you see a leak inside, the damage is already pretty advanced. Now, this damage isn't uniform. Moss has its favorite spots, creating high-risk areas on your roof. Think north-facing slopes, shady spots, anywhere that stays damp. That's exactly what moss loves. And here's the kicker. The worst of it is usually on the side you can't even see from the street. So when is the right time to stop all this damage? Turns out the timing is critical. You can't just treat it anytime. To be effective, you gotta hit the moss when it's most vulnerable. In summer, moss goes dormant and won't absorb treatment, but spring, that's when it's actively growing. This quote really nails it. Being proactive is the only way to prevent major damage. The right method is soft washing. It kills the roots without blasting your shingles with high pressure. Okay, let's talk money. The cost difference between preventing this and repairing it is dramatic. A full roof replacement? You could be looking at $30,000. Ouch. As you can see, preventative treatment costs just a tiny fraction of a full roof replacement. You might be thinking, hey, won't my homeowner's insurance cover this? Well, insurance usually covers accidents, not gradual damage from lack of maintenance. And guess what this is? That's right. It means the entire cost of that big repair could come straight out of your pocket. So is your roof protected, or is a hidden, expensive problem growing up there right now?